Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's online wire transfer services. Okay, if you've been wondering how to do this, this video is definitely going to help you out with that. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you can log in on the Twoguysfinance mobile app. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're now going to select the account that you want to use for the wire transfer, and then you're going to click on wire transfers, and then you'll need to select the recipient's information. Once the information is all set up, you can just enter the wire transfer amount and confirm that the amount is indeed accurate. And then you're going to need to review and verify the wire transfer details. Make sure all the details are correct and you're sending the correct amount to the right person. And once that's done, you can use Twoguysfinance online banking platform or mobile app to track the wire transfer. And if you encounter any issues along the way, you could just contact Twoguysfinance's customer service, and they're going to help you out with those issues. Or if you have any questions that you need answers for, they're going to help you by providing those. So yeah, you can also review and update your wire transfer settings anytime you want to do that on Twoguysfinance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's online wire transfer services. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys